When I first began painting some 10 years ago, I remember my first trip to my local art supply store. I recall my feeling of utter confusion as I perused the aisles. This particular art store had every tube of paint, brush, medium and canvas known to man, far too many choices for a confused beginner. After several moments, a salesperson came by and began to assist me in finding the supplies I needed. To make a long story short, I left the store 30 minutes later with a box full of supplies, half of which I had absolutely no idea what to do with. I wish I knew then what I know now. I could have saved myself a lot of money. When you are first starting out in oil painting, you shouldn't go overboard on supplies. It's best to start with the basics. When you become more experienced, you can then try out different supplies until you find the items you are most comfortable working with. Oil painting brushes. Brushes come in various sizes and shapes from flats to brights to rounds. They are also available at various prices. Brushes are something you should definitely spend a bit extra on and shoot for quality. You don't want cheap brushes. Cheap brushes are a huge headache mainly because they shed hair and lose their shape quicker than quality brushes. The types of brushes you purchase really depend on the type of painting you plan on doing. Landscapes, portraits, impasto work, etc. all call for certain types of brushes. You will only learn this over time as you become more experienced and develop your own style. For starters, I would purchase a few flats of various sizes, a few small rounds for detailed work and a fan for blending. Make sure to also purchase a good brush cleaner and preserver. I use the Marks brush care system for cleaning and preserving my brushes and it works great. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.